hydrated is crucial for health and well-being, but many people do not consume enough fluids each day. Our bodies are around 60% of water, give or take. It is commonly recommended to drink 8-ounce glasses of water per day, or is equivalent to 64 ounces in total. If you're one of those who hate drinking water, well, How to Be is going to change your mind with these 7 water benefits. Wait till we get to the most amazing benefit, which is number 1, because it will rock your world if you're working on getting the body of your dreams. Before we give out these tips, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be and click the notification bell to get the latest videos of our channel. Ready? Let's get started. Number 7. Keeps you from overeating. When you drink lots of water, it can help you suppress your appetite if your goal is to eat less and shed off excess fat. Research shows that drinking a glass of water before eating can keep you from going overboard. One obesity study found that people who drank water before their meals ate fewer calories during their meals and left them feeling fuller compared to those who didn't drink water as an appetizer. In the end, they also lost significantly more weight. Number 6. Flushes toxins from your body. Though water doesn't necessarily neutralize toxins, the kidneys do use water to get rid of certain waste products. If you don't drink enough water, your kidneys do not have the amount of fluid they need to do their job properly. If the body does not have sufficient water, then metabolic wastes will not be removed as efficiently as they should. In essence, the body would be holding in toxins instead of expelling them, as is required for proper health. Number 5. Dehydration can lead to numerous ailments. Dehydration can have a noticeable effect if you lose as little as 2% of your body's water content. Studies show that even mild dehydration, 1 to 3% of body weight, can impair many aspects of brain function. In a study of young women, fluid loss of 1.36% after exercise impaired both mood and concentration and increased the frequency of headaches. Another similar study, this time in young men, showed that fluid loss of 1.59% was detrimental to working memory and increased feelings of anxiety and fatigue. And lastly, lines on the face become more prevalent if one becomes dehydrated on a chronic basis. So, if you don't want any of these to happen, be sure to drink lots of water. Number 4. Speeds metabolism. Water can increase satiety and boost your metabolic rate. In 2 studies, drinking half a liter, 17 ounces of water, was shown to increase metabolism by 24 to 30% for up to 1.5. This means that drinking 2 liters of water every day can increase your total energy expenditure by up to 96 calories per day. The timing is important too, and drinking water half an hour before meals is the most effective if you're trying to lose weight. It can make you feel more full so that you eat fewer calories. Number 3. Aids the liver. The liver is extremely active in oxidizing triglycerides to produce energy. The liver breaks down many more fatty acids that the hepatocytes need and exports large quantities of acetoacetate into blood, where it can be picked up and readily metabolized by other tissues. This is why it's essential to drink water so that it can help the liver convert these fats to energy. Number 2. Compensates for loss of glycogen stores as you lose weight. Glycogen is a large molecule made up of protein core surrounded by glucose subunits. It's stored in the liver and muscles for use during energy-intensive activities, like running away from danger and supporting the brain when food is scarce. Glycogen can be quickly metabolized to meet the body's need for glucose, but each gram of glycogen is bound to 3 to 4 grams of water. So if you use up your body's glycogen stores, as when dieting or with prolonged exercising, a lot of water is released over a short amount of time. The body turns to glycogen as an energy source as it expends glucose. Quick water weight loss occurs when metabolizing glycogen because the process requires water. And now, for the number 1 reason why you must drink water. Drum roll, please. Number 1. It's calorie-free. Plain water is calorie-free. Calories come from 3 nutrients in your diet: carbs, fats, and proteins. Alcohol, while not considered a nutrient, contributes calories as well. Plain water is devoid of these nutrients and thus contains no calories. Still, it contains trace amounts of minerals, including calcium, magnesium, sodium, zinc, and copper. In a nutshell, water does amazingly good things to your body. So why hate it? Make sure to drink lots of it to gain all these benefits. And there you have it. So go on and get a glass of water now. Make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be so we can all do it together. And hit that notification bell to access more of our videos. Thank you so much for watching How to Be, and until our next video.